Hello, it's Karen, the Weekend Craftaholic. I am back with week 22 of Moda Blockheads 6, and as you can see here, this is, well, it looks like a nice easy one. This one's called Lucky Charm, and it didn't take too long to put together actually. I would say I was able to do it less than an hour, which is good for me. Now this first part of the process, we have done this before. I can't remember which block it was. What I should have also remembered is obviously with it cut as triangles, cut on the biased, I should have remembered not to stretch the fabric quite so much. So again, we start off with things not quite perfect, but lessons learned. I do like this process actually. I do like the way these turn out when you use the triangles. So it is definitely something that when I saw it, I wasn't initially afraid of doing. Like some of them, I just think, oh my God, these are so complicated. But I love the finished effect of them. Just for a few little stitches, it gives a good outcome. So with everything today, you actually do most of these steps twice. I am only going to show you each step once rather than you watch it twice. I am trying to keep these videos under 5 minutes, nice and quick, which is why I do speed them up quite a lot. If that's something that annoys you, please let me know. I'm conscious that when I watch YouTube, I put everything on 2 speed. Everything's just too slow for me, so I think my mind goes at 100 miles an hour. So for me, I am used to watching things sped up, but if this is something that annoys you, yeah, give me some feedback. Definitely I'll reconsider. I just know that I wouldn't want to watch someone create a block for half an hour. I just ain't got the time for that. But anyway, getting back to the block, so we're on to the next step now. And again, this one we've done before as well, and this one, I remember last time I did it wrong. This time I did it right. Now moving on to this little 9 patch, I am in the middle of making a quilt by My Soul Quilty Life. It's a free pattern. It's, what's it called? Love Mini Me Quilt. And it's got a lot of these little 9 patches in them. Excuse me. So I think this one I've had a bit of practice on, so this one thankfully came out really well. Wasn't expecting it not to. My confidence level's gone up. I think we make 8 of them in that pattern. In fact, I'll link it down below on our website. It is a free one. I've not quite finished it, so I will be showing you that in a couple of weeks. Hopefully I'll have finished it by then, as I'm using the Sunbonnet collection, so it's looking fabulous. Going back to this one though, I've not got a lot of my background fabric, which is why there's not a lot of the yellow in this one at all this time. And I've only got a little bit of this grey as well. So I'm trying to use up some of the pinks. I've got lots of pinks left. Now, in saying I've got lots of pinks left, can you see I'm using like a bit of a geometric one along with the flowered one? That is only 1 fat quarter. And I realised at this point that I've got to make the corner bits with that other fabric before. Now my problem is I haven't got enough of that fabric, so it doesn't have that perfect little finish with the fabric all the way around. I think it's meant to be, I don't know, I think it's meant to be the same fabric all the way around, but the way that I've done it doesn't quite fit right. But I'm happy with that, I'm at peace with that, because I've run out of that fabric, and I know we're coming to the end of Moda Blockhead, so I definitely don't want to be buying any more fabric when I've got lots of some of them left over, so I definitely want to make use of these. Coming to the end of it now, and as I'm sewing these up, which is quite common, obviously I am getting better at this as well, so I feel like I am making a better attempt in the overall finishes with my scant seam allowances. Now if you saw the title of this video, you'll know that for the first time ever, I was actually able to finish this block with some left over to trim. This finishes at 9.5 block. Normally I've only just probably got about 9 inch, so first time I've been able to trim it. Now can you spot the obvious mistake here? Because I didn't until I went to edit this video, and as I got to this point editing the video, I'm thinking something doesn't look quite right. And if you've not spotted it already, I will let you know that that bottom row I put on upside down. So I went back, got my seam ripper out, and I've made sure those little corner squares are in the corners. So that's my block for this week. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're following along with Moda Blockheads and enjoying it as well. But otherwise, have a great crafting weekend.